Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Usha Mandal and you are going to see more of dentistry, lifestyle, gardening and also cooking videos on my channel. So do subscribe and also hit the bell icon. It's winters in India and I know many of you still haven't done your winter shopping of lotions, creams, body lotions, body butters, souffles and everything. Today I will be telling you a bit about body lotions and body butters. I know many of you have this doubt. Body lotions and body butters are different things. Who should use a body lotion and who should not use a body butter, everything. I will clear all your doubts today in my video because I also had this doubt. Let's move on to the video and see what's the difference between a body butter and a body lotion. So here I have a body lotion from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine Body Lotion. And I have body butters from Good Vibes, the Good Vibes Olive Deep Hydration Body Butter and the very famous M Caffeine Cocoa Body Butter. This is very famous and everybody just knows about this. So I will not be talking about the products today in my video. That can be done in some other time. Today I will be telling you the basic difference between a body lotion and a body butter. First, a body lotion. A body lotion is something which has a much more of water components than butter or moisturizing components. The moisturizing components are butters, oils, so those are less in a body lotion. So the body lotion consistency is also not very thick and much of a liquid kind of consistency. So the effect of moisturization of a body lotion is also not very long lasting like a body butter. Whereas a body butter has a much more creamier texture and it is thick. Definitely the consistency of a body butter is thick, very thick than a body lotion, and they have much more of butter, essential oils. There are butters like shea butter, cocoa butter and other butters and essential oils, and the water components are less, obviously lesser than in a body lotion. The water components can be totally absent, like in this body butter it's very thick and very creamy. You can see it's just very creamy and I will show you the consistency. It's just like there's no water and it's very thick. So you can see the consistency. There's no liquidy consistency in this body butter, so there's no water in this. So the effect of moisturization of a body butter is definitely much more long lasting than a body lotion because this has less water, it has more of butters, so it's going to last longer. See, in a body lotion, I will show you the consistency of a body lotion. See, that's the consistency of a body lotion. There's much water. You can understand that there's water in this. When you blend it on your skin, see, you can understand its texture. It's not going to last very long because it has more liquid components. And yes, you need to reapply a body lotion during the day because one application of body lotion during the day will not last you for the whole day. You need to reapply. Whereas for body butters, you do not need to reapply during the day more than once. You know, if you apply a body butter once, it's going to last you throughout the whole day and you don't need to reapply it more than once. So as I told you, it's creamier and it's heavier, so it's going to last on your skin for a much more longer time. Body lotions can be used in summers and preferably it should be used in summers only because in summers your body, your skin do not need a very long term hydration. Whereas in winters you need to switch to a body butter because in winters your skin is dry and you need a much more long-term hydration, so that is not going to be given by a body lotion and you need a body butter for that. Now some people have this misconception that dry skin people need to use body butter, they cannot use a body lotion, and oily skin people cannot use a body butter, they need to use a body lotion. To this I will say no. There are no hard and fast rules for using a body lotion or a body butter. You know what? You need to use a body butter. You need to use a much more heavier consistency body butter in winters because in winters every person has dry, flaky skin irrespective of their skin type. In winters, everybody needs hydration for their skin. So you need to switch to a body butter irrespective of your skin type. And in summers you just can't go on with a body butter. And yes, if you have very dry skin and it's drying very much in summers, then you can go a light consistency body butter. You know, this is a very heavy consistency body butter, whereas this is not that much heavier. So there are many brands available in the market. In body butters also you will see differences. Like this M Caffeine body butter, if you see, it's so heavy, it's so creamy. There's no, you know, liquidity, no fluidity you can see. It's so buttery, you can see it's very buttery. It's like a butter you apply on your bread, it's like that. But this Good Vibes body butter here, you can see, you can understand by the consistency, this is not that heavy. See, this is not that heavy like the M Caffeine one, but this is also a body butter. So I will apply it on my hand and you can understand. See, this is blending easily, but it's not like the M Caffeine one. But both of them are body butters. So there are many brands in the market right now which have different ingredients and which have different consistencies, which make them different. Like these two are quite different in their texture and in their ingredients also. So you need a heavy, very heavy body butter if you have a very dry skin in winters. And in summers, if you have a dry skin and the body lotion is not enough for you, then obviously you can go for a body butter. But obviously this body butter will be very heavy in summers, irrespective of your skin type. So you can go with a lighter body butter like this one or some other brands. There are many brands in the market which you can just go for. How to use it and when to use it? You know, in summers what I do, I use a body lotion before going to sleep. You know, ideally you should use a body lotion after you come out from the bath. In summers you can use a body lotion like that, but because I do not have that much time and this does not have SPF also, so after coming out of the bath, many of you just rush to your office for your job and all, so you cannot use a body lotion without SPF at that time. I do not personally use it after coming out from the bath. I use it before going to sleep. That helps me keeping my skin soft and supple. And I switch to a body butter in winters. Like now I'm using a body butter. I'm using the M Caffeine one right now because this is very creamy and keeps my skin very hydrated in winters. And I have a dry skin in winters, very dry skin I have in winters. So yes, and this Good Vibes one I used to use transition between the autumn and the winter. The autumn part mostly I used this Good Vibes one. So this is a bit light than the M Caffeine one. Right now I'm using this. So that's how you need to use. And yes, the body butters, you need to use it after you come out of the bath. You know, ideally your body should be a bit wet. Like after towel drying your body, you know, there's a bit of a moisture on your body. That is the perfect time for applying a body butter that's going to blend very well in your body. And obviously you can use it at night also. So those were the basic differences between a body butter and a body lotion. So now you know which to buy. There's no hard and fast rule like you cannot use a body butter or you cannot use a body lotion based on your skin type. There's no rule like that. You can use a body butter, you can use a body lotion. So that was my video about the difference between a body lotion and a body butter. I hope I was able to make you understand the basic difference. And if my video was at all helpful to you, please like my video and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You can also share the video with your friends so that they also know about the difference between a body butter and a body lotion. Thank you so much for watching the full video, and please keep an eye on my channel for the more detailed review of these 3 products which I showed you today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.